You can sing most anything. It could be so exciting to be out in the world, to be free. My heart should be wildly rejoicing. Oh, what's the matter with me? I've always longed for adventure, to do the things I've never dared. Oh, a dear.
Central Alabama Theater presents Cat Cabaret, starring Kristen Sharp, Saturday, March 5th, at the luxurious Clubhouse on Highland. Tickets may be reserved online.